Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the perfect gift idea that's sure to brighten anyone's day. A delightful gift basket for women, packed with 10 unique items designed to spread joy and positivity. Imagine the excitement on your loved one's face when they receive this vibrant yellow box filled with sunshine and happiness, featuring a 20 ounces insulated wine tumbler, a luxurious silk eye mask, cozy fuzzy socks, a cheerful sunshine stress ball, and an elastic hair scrunchie. But that's not all. Inside, you'll also find a sunflower inspirational keychain, a 7 ounces blue wind chime scented candle, a rejuvenating bath bomb, an oatmeal soap bar, and a heartfelt, sending sunshine, card. Whether you're celebrating a birthday, offering get well soon wishes, or simply letting someone know you're thinking of them, this Sunshine Care package is the ultimate way to show you care. It's perfect for any woman in your life, be it your best friend, mom, sister, daughter, coworker, or girlfriend. Who wouldn't love receiving such an unexpected, cheerful, and thoughtful gift? So, if you're looking to make someone's day truly special, this Sunshine gift basket is the way to go. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.